Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to have smooth zoom transition. Watch till the end so you won't miss anything. Okay, so let's start. Follow my steps. First, ready your clips and audio. Make sure your clips are on the beat of your audio. Add keyframes on both sides. Just follow my steps on how I zoom the clips. Now follow my graphs to make smoother zoom. Now, just do the same thing on all of the clips. After you added zoom in all of the clips, you're going to add some effects. Add camera shake and follow my settings. Add another effect. You can also do this. Just follow what I am doing. Now copy this in all of the clips. Now you're done. I hope this video helps. Can you leave a like and comment please? And also don't forget to subscribe.